Have you ever noticed that fresh vegetables sometimes lose their fresh appearance? Drying out takes away from their appeal. The best way to refresh vegetables is to use a technique called blanching. Blanching is an easy technique. It quickly brings vegetables back to life and makes their colors pop. Blanching also helps to remove the bitter flavors associated with many fresh vegetables. Broccoli and cauliflower are two vegetables that can really benefit from blanching. You might find that after blanching vegetables, your customers start eating a lot more. Blanching can be done in a steamer, combi oven on the steam setting, or in boiling water. To blanch using a steamer or combi oven, place vegetables in a 2-inch perforated pan and steam for 45 seconds or until the colors brighten or pop. Exact timing will depend on your equipment. The goal is not to cook the vegetables, so make sure they're still crispy. Place no more than 3 pounds of broccoli or cauliflower in a pan. After steaming, immediately transfer florets to a sheet pan and place in the refrigerator to quickly cool to 41 degrees. Blanched vegetables make vegetable dippers and salads more appealing. Don't be surprised if you have to start making more.